think this is for her.
Don't go back there. Well guys, so we've got a wedding today which has consisted of loads of Harleys. They're all down here, everything as loud as I can. It's just a scooter off. They've got a Cadillac, which I think is a bride's car. But this is how you do a wedding. The bride's down there looking gorgeous as anything. All the Harleys are just on literally come down now, just on waving as loud as possible. Everyone's on there. I think Zeus scooter's going off because they're trying to park up and get some pictures. There's a caddy if you can see it coming out now. But it's not, this is a full-on wedding procession for her. Can you hear it? This is just awesome.
Tell him to shut up.
There's a wedding.
You should see this. Come and have a look.
Hopefully that will come round here soon. Where's your scooter parked in Boyd Shed?
Yeah. Harleys is the Cadillac.
This is just brilliant, guys. Proper wedding. Avenida, Monte Carlo and Indian weddings, which is more stylish. That's all like your Lambos, Ferraris, all that. Nothing like this. I'm not sure if that is a Cadillac. They're also trying to keep the gate open as well.
More firecrackers.
Firecrackers are there? All the Harleys going forward now for the pictures. is Ricardo's little disco on. This is crazy. All I can say is congratulations to whoever it is that's getting married. Fire truck's a bit late, ain't it? I imagine this is some sort of great day fire to come down possibly, but it's just Harleys super so scoop of an horn still going on. If I'd have known about this, I'd have probably gone and switched their alarm off so I can have a bit of a peaceful photography session, but we didn't really know about it too much. Everyone getting into Cadillac.
Not everyone, the father and the bride.
Yeah, father and the bride. That's such a gorgeous car. Basically, all the Harleys are going to lead them to the church. What a good day as well, sun shining as well.
Beautiful day.
Hope the gates stay open on.
I think Ricardo's threatened. No.
Only in Benidorm can something like this happen, though.
Wish them all the best.
That is just crazy. So congratulations to whoever it is getting married. Wish you all the best of luck and good